how to get your token ID on TonKeeper wallet. So if you don't know, TonKeeper is basically a crypto wallet where you can trade cryptos and NFTs. So you can even connect other apps to this wallet. So I'm going to show you how to get your token ID on this app. First, open your app and this will be your homepage. If you have set up a pin code, it will ask you for the pin first, and then you will have to enter the pin to log into your app. So once you have done that, this will be your home page. So in order to get your token ID, what you can do is tap on the settings icon at the top right, the gear icon, and from here below the backups you can see tokens. Just tap on it and tap on this visible token right here, Tether USD. And from here you can see your token ID is this one. In order to copy it, you can simply tap on copy and send it to whoever you want, or whoever is sending you money. And in order to receive it, you can just tap on receive. You can send this as well, your QR, to them, or if you want to send, you can paste your address ID right here. So yeah, that's how you get your token ID on TonKeeper wallet. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.